Preparing and flying a flight display at an air show is really a parenthesis in my main activity. It takes some preparation that begins a couple weeks before the air show. We first go to the simulator, we train for the maneuvers, trying to respect the volume, and we prepare also for the emergency that may occur. Then about 10 days before the air show, we're going to a remote airfield to actually fly a profile. And 1 week before, we come to the Bourget, we fly the profile, taking care of all of the restrictions because of the restricted areas, the populated areas. And the Sunday before the air show, we come here with the whole team and we are ready and validated to perform.